holiday is over and it's time to go back to school. I prepare the juice my kids take to school by myself. This is how I prepare it. I just want to show you the process. I'll be using coconut for this juice. I'll be using pineapple, and I'll be using green apple. I usually prep this fruit a day before the day I will produce this fruit. This is a slow juicer. I actually use slow juicer to prepare the juice because I do not want to add water. So here we go. I've started already. I just mix the fruit at interval. I can add pineapple, add coconut, add apple together. I don't juice them separately. I juice the fruits together. Oh, can you see? This is the first juice I'm getting from what I've been juicing. I don't add any form of preservative to the juice, and that is the reason why I like it more. And I don't add water when juicing. This slow juicer will extract every liquid from your fruit. You can see the other bowl, that is the chaff coming out from the fruit. It's dried, very dry. This is the juice and this is the chaff. So the slow juicer will blend your fruit and extract it immediately, separate the chaff from the juice. I encourage you to do this for your kids. I encourage you. Wow, who wouldn't want to try this? Even you that is watching my video will like to have a taste of this juice. Wow, without mixing words, this is healthy. You will agree with me. I wish I can give you that is watching this video now a glass of this juice to have a taste. I'm done juicing. This is what I have. This is what I have here. So I'll just go ahead to transfer this juice to the little containers that my kids will take to school. So those are the containers. I sterilize them before using it. I sterilize them before using it. So I like to prepare the juice that will serve them for 1 week. I prepare this juice once a week. Every weekend I'll prepare this juice for the next week so that I don't have to prepare a fresh juice every day. This is how I sterilize my bottles. I use salt water to wash them properly. Then after washing inside the salt water, I will further rinse it inside another water that doesn't contain salt, just to be sure that is free of every form of germs. So I'll just go ahead to pour the remaining juice inside my container. The containers I washed earlier weren't enough, so I have to add extra. Since I'm making a juice that will last for 1 week, I usually store my juice inside the freezer, not the fridge. Please, the freezer, so that it will not go sour. Every day I bring it out, the taste remains the same. So thank you for watching, and I hope you will try this out for your kids in this new term. Please try it out and give me feedback. Thank you.